Hello, 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 and welcome to my abode. I am Tracy. Please have a seat, get comfortable, and enjoy yourself. If you like what you see, please subscribe, but please hit that like button. I tried my luck at making bone broth. I've been collecting these bones forever because I don't do a lot of meat. Had them in the freezer. So this has been simmering for maybe 15 hours, and put bay leaves in here, thyme, what else? I forgot. Oh, peppercorn, a little apple cider vinegar, and a few other things. I don't remember. So I'm taking the bones out now, and then I will be straining the broth and probably storing it in mason jars. I'm thinking about putting these bones in the oven and let them totally dry out and make some bone meal. I'm going to research before I throw the bones in the garbage. So there's all kind of bones here. Everything from a ham, from turkey, rib bones, chicken bones. Oh, I added parsley in here as well. So after it cools off, then I'll strain it and then store it in mason jars. You can put them in the refrigerator and they'll last for up to a week, I believe. Or you can leave an inch headspace and put them in the freezer. But I probably am going to be using this. I have some, is it 16 bean soup that I want to make? And then Auntie Ellen made some broccoli potato soup yesterday. And I have broccoli, I have potatoes, a few other ingredients I need to get. And I'll probably make some of that. Doing some meal prepping. Store it in containers and put it in the refrigerator and the freezer. So I think I have all the bones out. And I gotta let this cool down. And then I'll get everything else out of here. A bone. There's a bone. Oh, but yum. So I'm soaking my beans. I'll have bean soup. I'll probably add carrots and celery and I don't know what else to that. Onions, a few other things, spices. I'm gonna let it cool off and then put it in containers. To strain my broth, stock, or whatever you call this, it's still hot. But I want to try and strain it. I might have to do it twice. Get all the parsley and peppercorns and all that stuff out. So I'll set that aside and let it continue to cool. Yummy. And now I rinsed these off really good. I'm going to put these in the oven at 400 degrees for a couple hours so that I can grind them up and make bone meal, fertilizer for the garden. Spread them out. This is a first. Interesting, interesting. All right, my oven is heated at 400. Put that in there. Set the timer for 2 hours so I don't forget. And then I will be sterilizing my jars for the bone broth. About 4 quart bottles, which should be enough, I don't know. Get some water in there without burning myself. And can I fit one more? Check out a bigger pot. That's not, nope, that's not going to fit. Well, it doesn't take long to sterilize, so I'll do that one next. And at least put the lids and caps in here. Okay, bring that to a boil and then do that last jar. Keep it moving. Do this fourth jar and I put another one in to be sterilized. Alright, doesn't look like it's going to be quite a quart, but oh well. Continue to let these cool off, and when that one comes out, I'll fill it up. Yeah, I can't. They're warm, so I can't put the lids on yet. Or I can, and I can just leave it here to cool. Yeah. And I'm going to tighten them because they're not going to be water bathed. I think it'll be okay to put the tops on while it's warm. So that's 4 quarts so far. And let's see how much we get in this container. I guess I still should have wiped the lids off. I'll go back and do that. But I'm not actually water bath canning. Oh, I see Marvin. So I got a little over 2 cups here. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, let me wipe this off. Almost a quart, almost. And then what I'll do is, off camera, I'll wipe those lids off with some vinegar. Get the tops out of here. The lid. Ta-da! Good old bone broth. Camera rudely cut off. As this cooks down, I will probably add more bone broth. And in the meantime, I'm drying green onions in the dehydrator. I've already dehydrated some ginger. I dehydrated rosemary, and I think I'm going to make a rosemary oil for my hair. And then I also, in the air fryer, roasted these beets, chopped them in quarters, and salt, pepper, olive oil, 290 degrees for 20 minutes. And I am done in the kitchen area. Go upstairs and do some crafting before I get sleepy while these cook. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. What are you doing today? What have you prepped? Or are you just relaxing on this beautiful Sunday? I don't know. Enjoy whatever you do. Peace and love. Toodles. I'll see you soon. Grind the bones later on today or tomorrow. I don't know. I'll make a short of that or post a picture. See how that turns out. It's first for a lot of things for me, but it's really interesting and I'm enjoying it. Happy prepping.